Working with TREC from start to finish made me happy. From the initial discussion with Justin at a parking lot at a gas station, all the way until the final nail was put in on the last shingle. Just everything Justin said they were going to do, they did. There was no tricks, no gimmicks, no hidden cost. It was upfront from start to finish. Justin and his team at TREC, they kept me informed on all the discussions they were having. Insurance was involved, and for me, I just got to watch until it was finally time to put a new roof on. But I think that speaks to how easy Justin and his team at TREC made it for me, because it was definitely work on their part. So I never felt like I was being sold a roof. I felt like I had a partner on my side that was going to help me replace a old outdated roof with the roof that my family wanted and needed. And in today's world, to have that authentic relationship for such a huge purchase, you can't put a price on that, and I can't imagine using anybody else. TREC went the extra mile throughout the entire process, but I have one specific example. When the team showed up on the day of install, the very first thing they did was they walked around and made sure that the home was secure from any falling debris with tarps and so on and such. But what most impressed me was the way they and the attention they provided my American flag. When they took it off the house, they wrapped it up neatly. They gave it to me so I had a place to put it. And then when the roofing was all done and was installed, without leaving, they reminded me that they needed to put the American flag back up. And that went up with just as much care as it came down with. And I truly appreciated that attention to detail. I think the best way to sum TREC up is just they are authentic. I don't know how best to describe my experience with TREC. To get what you asked for and to have them deliver what they said they were going to deliver, no surprises. I truly appreciated that.